Kani gadega Pati CTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka office trekam jong Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities, nen kasngi kalai tadi ujemang, kala pelong ya kejingetai halor ki hok, jong ki beriau ki badan jing dunah ki department. Leng bakaan Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. Kenang bakani kaan kan trekam pura hakani ke jala Meghalaya, ban permentoi ki beriau ki badai hok ban yo ya ka hok jong ki. Ya kani kelempong yatai la pelepat ba do menteri sarkar bakmi ya ketnan social welfare uba kerman sela ringkat kajian lang u special rapporteurs jong ka National Human Rights Commission u Prasana Kumar Pincha nang tau additional chief secretary kejala uba H Marwan bat u advisor bat hakajo kopor u bolong ru u planning officer jong ka State Resources Center on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Shillong u SK Seal. Hakani kelempong yatai ke basisngi layatai sani ba halor ki hok kibala pentrikam na kasorkar jela na kabenta ka jingmentoi bat ka bahaka miat jeng ki beriau ki badan jingduna hagi department ka jingatai halor ka jing pentrikam ya ka UDID project bat QA.
The medical authorities should work out a strategy so that persons with disabilities can be issued disability certificate within a time frame. Disability certificate is a very important document as a person can avail all entitlement due to him only on production of this document. Similarly, all departments should ensure that the timelines laid down in the Act are completed. A society where there is inclusive education, employment, and community life, so we must strive toward this end. To create a society which gives equal opportunity to all, a society where young and old, the infirm and widows, the normal and persons with disabilities can utilize the facilities available in community and live a life of dignity and thereby empower persons with disabilities to the maximum possible extent.
In the 12th five-year plan, there is a provision which says that the government will take steps to revisit the menstrual laws, especially those which have a bearing on the rights guaranteed by and under the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. I believe that the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, about which I will have occasion to talk at greater length in the post-inaugural session, is a path-breaking piece of legislation. And it is a path-breaking piece of legislation on account of a variety of reasons. In fact, this Act seeks to recognize, in effect, that persons with disabilities are a valuable human resource. In fact, in many ways, we have preempted the UN Convention on the rights of persons with disabilities because we already had certain progressive piece of legislation in the country, and in the aftermath of this convention, in fact, we are going to have a way more progressive and forward-looking piece of forward-looking legislative regime as far as persons with disabilities are concerned.
It's gonna be alright. be alright.